QuickBooks is an amazing accounting software solution by Intuit. However, due to its highly sophisticated and vast abilities, it is evident to run into issues while using it for high efficiency. Database-related issues are most common ones that eat into the productivity of the users. QuickBooks comes with defined set of DB error codes that help in identifying and resolving the issues by the experts like Etechnovators. Here are the most common QuickBooks database-related errors. 3371 status code -11118, could not initialize license properties. 3371 QuickBooks could not load the license data. 6000-77, when opening a company file. 6000-82, an error occurred when trying to open the file, or an error occurred when QuickBooks tried to access the company file. 6000-301, an error occurred when QuickBooks tried to access the company file. 6000-305 occurs when trying to open a company file. 6000-816, QuickBooks was unable to open the company file because the file is in use. 6010-100, your QuickBooks installation may have been modified. 6032-158, an error occurred when QuickBooks tried to access the company file. 6085-0, when restoring a backup after entering an incorrect password. 6098-5, when opening up a data file from the server. 6123. Connection to the QuickBooks company file has been lost. 6123-0, connection to the QuickBooks company file has been lost. 6130, QuickBooks is trying to access the company file but cannot contact the database server. 6129-101, an error occurred when QuickBooks tried to access the company file. 6150-1006, an error occurred when QuickBooks tried to create, open, or use the company file. 6175, an error occurred when QuickBooks tried to access the company file. 6189, QuickBooks is unable to determine the cause of the error on the local file. 80,070,057 parameter is incorrect, when clicking on a QBB, QBM, NT, or TLG file from a Google search timeline. 80,070,057, the parameter is incorrect. There was an unexpected error reported while trying to run QuickBooks with company file. Common QuickBooks upgrading errors. Error -6000-82, an error occurred when trying to open the file, or an error occurred when QuickBooks tried to access the company file. Error -6032-158, an error occurred when QuickBooks tried to access the company file. Versions of QuickBooks made prior to 2005 and some non-US versions of QuickBooks are more likely to suffer one of the following error codes. The new versions of QuickBooks use a different database structure and most of the old error codes are not used as often. Error codes: C equals 1, for example, M equals 1028, L equals 1743, C equals 1, V equals 0. In QuickBooks v5.0 R4, after a backup and restore to a new system. This may involve non-standard video settings. For more information, please follow the link below the video.